Siri, turn on the lamp.
Okay, the lamp is on.
Siri, turn off the lamp.
Okay, the lamp is on.
Hey guys, it's JohnyTechReview. Hope you guys are having a good week. Today I have a quick review for you of this Koogeek smart plug. So what's interesting about this plug is that it's designed to use with Apple HomeKit. And for those of you who's not sure what Apple HomeKit is, it's basically Apple implementation of a smart home device. So you can have a bunch of different devices and you can control them quickly by voice control or by grouping them together in sync and stuff like that. To me, Apple HomeKit is still relatively in its infant state, and there's not a lot of cool thing you can do with it yet. I believe in iOS 10 when it released there will be a lot more support for it. But anyway, this device here, it's pretty simple. It's designed so that you can control your light or anything that you can plug into this outlet. One thing to keep in mind is your device should have a hard switch, so something like a fan or a light. They have a hard switch. When you turn it on and off, it will come on. Not a remote control or one of those touches one where when you turn it on you have to manually press something. So this is the box that coming with, and down here you can see it tell you that I can control lamp, light, humidifier and more. Not much information here, just a little box. And then inside you get a plug itself. This is what the plug look like, and then here is the little small user menu. And this user menu is important because they also have this little code here that is used to activate the device. Setting up is pretty simple. All you have to do is just plug this device into the outlet, and then you wait for this green light here. This little light here will light up. This little E here will light up, and then all you have to do is download the app and add a device. During the process, you do have to create an account, and that's one thing I didn't like, but the company requires you to create an account using the little application, and just use your junk email or whatever. But then after that, it's ready to go. So there's 3 different ways to turn your switch on and off. Of course, you can press the physical button up top here. You can tell Siri to turn it on and off by saying like Siri turn on the lamp, or Siri activate your scene, etc. I'll show you that in a minute here. And then finally you can press the button within the app. So here is the app that you need to get. It's called the Koogeek Home. You can see right here, download from the App Store. And then of course inside here I already have my lamp added, but first time you launch it you want to set up a home and then a zone, and then you can add the lamp inside that. So my zone is currently the living room, so let me click it. You can hear it turn on and off. You can hear that. And of course you also have Scene. Scene make it simple so that you can set up multiple devices. Siri, turn on the lamp in the living room.
Okay, the lamp is on.
As you can see right now. Siri, good night.
Sleep tight. Your home is going to sleep.
That kind of give you an idea, because in the good night here you can click this thing here and you can see I have it set off for good night, and here for at home I had on. Siri, I'm home. You can see
Your castle awaits.
So that kind of give you an idea. So it's pretty neat because of course if you're in your house and you have Wi-Fi, you can use this device pretty much anywhere, and you can invoke this from this phone. So there's one issue that we found with this. I guess it's supposed to work better, but we have other iOS devices in the house and we cannot use those other devices to invoke the same features here. So right now I can only get it to work from this one specific device. I tried to install the app on the other device, but they ask you to rest of the device again, so it's a little bit weird. I did found one way to get it to work, but basically that is to send an invite over here in user. You can do user management, and you can actually send an invite like this, and then on the other phone of my wife phone, for example, she can have the invite and then she can use it. So that's kind of cool. It's still a little bit quirky, but it works well when you set it up properly. Again, the last way to turn it on, of course, is to click on within the app here, and you can see tell you your power usage and everything of the specific device, and then you can turn it on and off here also. This is the virtual switch here, as you can see, so kind of give you an idea. So finally, within the device you can also set a timer. So for example, right here I have my lamp here going on at 7 o'clock every night and then go off around 10 here, kind of give you an idea. So that's also cool to set up multiple schedule here. And down here you can also click on the graph to give you more detail. I do wish that they have other graph like line graph, so it's easy to see the progression, but this is always given to you. So overall, this Koogeek HomeKit device works pretty well. It's not too bad to set up, and setup is pretty simple because you can use the app, and then the app will let this device know what Wi-Fi system you have. So you just have to pick the Wi-Fi that you're currently using. So guys, that's pretty much conclude my quick review. I hope it helped you guys in your purchase decision. I would like to thank you Koogeek for sending this out for me for review. If you guys find this video useful, please like it and stay tuned and subscribe for more future review. Thank you.